Kublai shibun ni piboro papai kini video. Telami ke result jangka screening test jangka post of motor vehicle inspector under transport department. Limbaga MPSC kebala pelong haka 8 tarik Julai ajar pesan. There is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll numbers are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Teknik diki roll number jangki bala pas second screening test. Te kerumbun kedai kakat saw, san pusan, san pupra, ndre puar, ndre pusaw, kandai pusan, cispa shipau, cispa kanyo. Te kasadon so ka interview, kaban salong haka live putrik Oktober, haka por, shipau steng step, haka office jangka Meghalaya Public Service Commission, lawal la chumia Shillong. Te ki candidate ki balak pas ka screening test, te pelak ban download yaka intimation letter naka MPSC website. So kanika way, lami ke result jangka screening test jangka post of food safety officer under the Commissionariat of Food Safety Lingbaka MPSC. Kalau pelong haka ke Julai ajar pesan. Is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following round are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Tikini gede ki round jang kitu ki candidate ki balak pas ka screening test. Te kasadan so ka personal interview kaban salong haka arpanai torik bat ka haka live torik Oktober ajar pesan haka Porsche posting men step. Haka office jangka Meghalaya Public Service Commission, Lawal Chumia, Shillong. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download the intimation letter from the commission website. Ki candidate ki balak pas kanika screening test. Kalau download yaka intimation letter from the commission website from the MPSC website. Te kublai shibun